I'm here with the Donner drum throne that you can buy versus the one that's with the cheaper Donner DED models. This is the DED 80 and you get like this little stool here. It's a lot smaller and I think it's more geared towards children as well. And this one is a little bit higher. You still have 4 notches, but they're a little further apart. And you also have the Donner logo right there on the throne. Everything feels a little bit more premium. The cushioning is a little softer. So that's pretty cool, and it's pretty sturdy. So I really like this Donner throne. And if you want to upgrade from like something that you get with a kit, in this case the Donner as well, this is a different stool. This is the one you get with the more premium Donner models, like the DED 300X, I think. So they also upgrade the stool when you get to a new level of a drum kit, and I think it's a really cool and sturdy drum throne that you can sit on. So pretty nice. You even get some drumsticks with it. They're not the best quality, but I'm not gonna lie. But you do have everything now to start drumming and start playing. So I think if you want to choose between these, get an upgraded stool. It's so much better if you sit on a nice cushion than on something hard like this. Plus you can height adjust this a little bit better. This is the maximum height here for this one, and just a little bit too low for me. So I hope this video has helped you make your choice between these.